Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a new operator which is Nullish Coalescing operator. It was introduced in ES 2020 and the main idea is it would check the left hand side operand. If it is equal to nullish values which are null or undefined, then there would be short circuiting and the right hand side operand value would be returned. Otherwise, the left hand side operand value will be returned. We could better understand it with code. Now, there is an idea that if the stream is working and the students watching right now are 0, that does mean that we should print 0 instead of stream error. And if there is stream error, that does mean that the value stored in students in stream is null or undefined and there is stream error. Now, right now the students in stream are 0. That does mean that the stream is working, but the students here are 0. Now we are using here the Nullish Coalescing operator, checking if there are students in stream. So actually there are students, so it should print 0 because here 0 is not a nullish value, because nullish values were null and undefined. So it should be printing what? The left hand side operand, which is 0. Now let's say that there is a stream error and now our students in stream are null. That does means that now here in this line there is short circuiting, and by short circuiting it will be returning the right hand side operand value, which is stream error. If there was undefined, now here the case is the same because undefined is also a nullish value. So this was Nullish Coalescing operator. If you understood it, thanks for watching.